Samsung announced on Monday that it will start selling the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus in 128GB and 256GB of storage options in the United States next month. At launch, the 64GB model was the only model available for either phone, but advance orders for high-capacity phones will begin May 1 with a full release scheduled for May 18. As Samsung claims, their customers fill their phones with uncompressed photos, 4K videos, feature films and more. Even with the ability to increase storage with an SD card, 64GB is simply not enough for some users, which is why Samsung decided that their fans should have a variety of ways to keep their content close. Samsung will sell the 128GB Galaxy S9 for $769.99, while the 128GB Galaxy S9 Plus will cost $889.99. The 256GB Galaxy S9 will come a little higher at $819.99, and the 256GB Galaxy S9 Plus will be the most expensive of the group at $939.99. The four new models will be sold exclusively at Samsung, so do not expect to see them in physical stores. The new models will also be available in Lilac Purple, Coral Blue and Midnight Black. If you pre-order any of the high-capacity phones, you will also receive the free Gear IconX 2018 or the ability to purchase a Gear S3 Frontier smartwatch for $99.